Hey guys! Welcome to Foodpix Kitchen. This is the part 2 of 100 of the best and most exciting breakfasts in the world. In each video we get acquainted with 10 exciting breakfasts. And in this video, we review the ranks 90 to 81. So stay with me until the end of this video. Number 90, Manakish from Lebanon. Score, 4.1 from 5. Manakish is a favorite Lebanese breakfast, a round, flat bread that is typically topped with olive oil and za'atar sesame seeds, thyme, and sumac, then baked in the oven. Other toppings might include cheese, minced lamb, spinach, or fried eggplants. Although it is sometimes affectionately called Lebanese pizza, it is a recent addition to the Lebanese culinary heritage, but it quickly became one of the most popular dishes due to its flavors, low price, and the ease of preparation. Manakish is often associated with being food for the poor, but it is enjoyed by all classes of society. It is recommended to pair it with tomatoes, cucumbers, yogurt cheese, or a cup of hot tea. Number 89, Oladyi from Russia. Score, 4.1 from 5. Small, but packed with flavor, the batter for these famous Russian pancakes differs from those for traditional pancakes as it is prepared with kefir, a fermented milk product with a slightly sour taste. Aside from kefir, the remaining ingredients for oladyi are typical for any run-of-the-mill pancake: flour, sugar, salt, and eggs. They are pan-fried into small rounds, similar to American-style pancakes. The pancakes turn golden brown when finished, and they are chewy with crunchy edges. They are slightly sweet and neutral in flavor, while the kefir lends them a mild sour note. These small, thick pancakes can be served plain or with honey, chocolate, fresh fruit, sour cream, or a variety of fruit preserves. Fresh fruit and chocolate chips are also occasionally added to the batter. Oladyi are a typical breakfast dish, and they are best served hot off the griddle while they are still fluffy and soft in the center and crunchy around the edges. Number 88, Appam from India. Score, 4.2 from 5. Appam is a popular Indian bowl-shaped pancake made from a batter of rice flour and coconut milk. Typically consumed for breakfast or dinner, Appam is most popular in Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka, and Kerala, where it is culturally linked to the Syrian Christians called the Nazranis, who bake Appam on a stone. According to an American food writer and historian, Gil Marks, the pancake first appeared in the southern tip of India. Although not much is known about the history of Appam, some also speculate that it originated from Jewish communities in India. Today, it is traditionally served with spicy condiments such as coconut milk curry. The pancakes can be filled with a variety of ingredients such as steamed eggs, chutneys, fish, meat, and vegetables. Appam is a popular street food item that is mostly consumed as a snack. Number 87, Pão de Deus from Portugal. Score, 4.1 from 5. Translated as the bread of God, this traditional Portuguese dessert is a combination of a soft brioche and a topping made with desiccated coconut and eggs. The dough is usually flavored with lemon zest, rum, or vanilla, and the buns are baked until the topping turns golden and crispy. These sweet rolls are eaten throughout the year and are commonly enjoyed for breakfast, but they are also associated with All Saints' Day and the old Portuguese custom known as Pão por Deus, in which children knock on doors reciting poetry and asking for sweets and candy. Number 86, Bolo de arroz from Portugal. Score, 4.1 from 5. A staple in almost every Portuguese bakery, Bolo de arroz is a light and airy rice cake characterized by its mild sweetness and a refreshing lemon flavor. Similar in shape to cupcakes or muffins, the cakes are usually made with a combination of rice and wheat flour, butter, milk, and eggs. A sprinkle of sugar before baking gives them a golden, caramelized crust. They can be enjoyed as a sweet breakfast or a light afternoon snack which perfectly pairs with milk, coffee, or tea. Number 85, Shakshouka from Tunisia. Score, 4.2 from 5. Shakshouka is a delicious combination of eggs poached in a spicy tomato sauce. Although it has an unusual name, the dish is straightforward and easy to make. It is usually made in a skillet in which onions, tomatoes, and spices are cooked until they form a delicious tomato sauce. Eggs are then added directly to the tomato sauce and poached until done. Merguez sausage can also be added to the dish. It is believed that shakshuka originated in Tunisia, but the dish is well known and commonly eaten throughout North Africa and the Middle East as well. Almost every region has formed their distinctive variety of shakshuka. In Egypt, eggs are usually scrambled and served in a sandwich, and in Israel it is often served with salty feta cheese on top. The consistency of the sauce in eggs is also variable. The sauce can be thinner or thicker, while the eggs can be completely firm or soft. Because it is budget-friendly, simple, and easy to prepare, the dish has recently gained popularity both in Europe and North America. Number 84. English breakfast from England. Score, 4.1 from 5. Also known as the full breakfast, this traditional British dish appears everywhere with a few essentials and some regional additions. First, there is the meat, usually a combination of sausages and bacon. The sausage is plain pork sausage, while the bacon can be streaky or back bacon. Then there are vegetables and legumes, baked beans and tomatoes, both cooked over high heat. The balance of sweetness and acidity in the tomatoes nicely balances out the fattiness on the other side of the plate. Lastly, there is a crispy piece of fried bread and 2 or 3 over-easy eggs to tie the whole meal together. Alongside this hearty breakfast, you will usually find a cup of tea, ketchup or brown sauce, and a nice fruit jam. Optionally, black pudding, kidneys, mushrooms, and potatoes can be added to the fry-up, depending on personal taste and regional preferences. Number 83. Miso Soup from Japan. Score, 4.1 from 5. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese soy-based soup made from a stock called dashi miso paste, and various additional ingredients such as seaweed or tofu. It is estimated that more than 70% of Japanese people consume the soup for breakfast, although it is commonly available at any time of the day. In Japanese restaurants in the United States, miso soup is often offered as an appetizer. The soup is thought to have medicinal properties, as it alkalizes the blood and revives the nervous system. The main ingredient is called miso, a combination of rice, salt, water, and fermented soybeans, shaped into a paste that is similar to peanut butter in texture. Miso is centuries old, and its roots are in Chang, a fermented soybean paste invented in China by Buddhist priests more than 2,500 years ago. Since miso soup is relatively quick and easy to prepare, in Japan, there are even instant cups of the soup available in vending machines for a small amount of money, acting as a testament to the soup's enormous popularity. Number 82. Jianbing from China. Score, 4.2 from 5. A favorite breakfast item in China sold by numerous street food vendors early in the morning. Jianbing, or fried pancake, is a thin and savory crepe-like pancake that is made by spreading batter over a hot, cast-iron slab with a wooden paddle. The batter can be made with a variety of different flour, with the most common types being mung bean flour, black bean flour, and wheat flour. Always freshly prepared and warm, this fried pancake is usually topped with eggs, then flavored with various sauces such as chili sauce, hoisin sauce, or Tianmianjiang sauce, and filled with ingredients such as spring onions, mustard pickles, radishes, scallions, cilantro, or even a protein such as Chinese sausage or chicken. A type of crispy fried dough sticks called guozi, or strips of crispy wonton, are traditionally added to the pancake filling for extra crunchiness. The variations on this dish are endless, as are the ingredients that can be added inside the crepe wrapper. Number 81. Big Pao from China. Score, 4.2 from 5. We got to the last breakfast in this part. Big Pao is a variety of baozi, the famous Chinese steamed buns. Consisting of a soft, delicate bun and a delicious savory filling, they are similar to other steamed bun types, but are usually larger in size. The pastry is made with yeasted dough, which develops a tender, springy texture when steamed. The filling is usually a delicious mixture of minced meat, mainly pork or chicken, shiitake mushrooms, and green onions, all doused in a fragrant sauce infused with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Some versions might include Chinese sausage, while quarters of hard-boiled eggs are a welcome addition, usually positioned inside or on top of the meat filling. Big pao buns are typically served as an afternoon snack or a hearty breakfast. They are mainly prepared at home or eaten as a takeaway meal, and similar varieties can be found in Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Taiwan. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss the next videos. I'll see you soon in the next video. I will be back soon with the next video of the best breakfasts in the world.